This is a 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria. Notice the twin aerials in the back, very popular at the time, and two-tone green. Actually, there were 5 shades of green offered by Ford this model year. Nice patterned upholstery, two-tone green throughout the interior. Notice it has automatic transmission and air conditioning under the dash. And there's the spotlights that are turned around, and nice wheel covers there. Very popular combination of color this year. Beautiful chrome and stainless. This doesn't have the safety package of the padded dash and padded visors that was optional that year. Nice molding. Very nice car. And the fender skirts go well with this car too. Paint is very, very high level here.